Hi guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Jade. If you're not new, welcome back. Yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I start. Let me stop rocking. I'm going to show you how I style my short curly hair. Because yes, if you didn't know, and you've watched my previous videos, I did cut my hair really short, 6 inches off. But yes, I did cut my hair. I'm sorry for the face. I'm not wearing any makeup, so if I look dead, that's why. But if you would like to continue watching this video, stay tuned and buckle your seatbelts because we're about to go on a motherfucking ride. Okay, so yes, I just got out of the shower. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just got out of the shower. So I just got like all these new products from Target, and I'm about to just try them out because I needed new stuff to when I cut my hair, to try out like things that are gonna work, what's not gonna work with my hair. So I will have a curly hair haul type video coming up in the near future, if it's not already up before this video. I don't know which video is gonna come up first. I don't know, but yes. So the products that are going to be in this video, I'm just gonna name all the products like right now, so that I don't know. But this is the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing curl activator cream. I picked this up at Target, so I don't know if it's going to be like good or not, so I'm testing it out today. We will see how this turns out. And before I got out of the shower, I just put the Organics Argan Oil Blue Bottle Conditioner in my hair. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's in one of my previous videos. If you haven't already watched my videos, please watch my videos, aka subscribe, aka come back, aka join the fam. This next product is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Yes, it smells good. All of Cantu's products smell good. So, I mean, you already know the deal. So, yes, I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using this Goddess Curl Botanical Gel. Almost didn't know how to say that, but I said it. Yes, and it looks like this. Okay, and this is what that looks like. Oh, and before I got out of the shower, there's another bottle that looks exactly like this, but it's called the Repair Cream, and I just put a little bit of that in my hair because my hair needs all the moisture that it can get, if you know what I mean. And then the last thing I'm going to use today is the Cantu Anti-Frizz Oil, and it's argan oil. Argan? I know how to speak. I know how to read, so let me just read this correctly. This is the argan oil. And it says that it's smoothing, and it's going to smooth away frizz and the flyaways. No silicones and no mineral oil. So I'm going to try this. And this is a new, it says it's a new product from Cantu. So you know how to pick it up and try it. By the way, if you aren't familiar with Cantu, they are really, really affordable for curly hair girls. So, I had to try it out. I haven't really used a lot of Cantu products. So, this is me dipping my foot into the water with Cantu. So, what I'm going to do is, my hair is soaking wet and it still has a little product in it, like I mentioned before, like I put out of the, when I came out of the shower. So, this is what I'm working with currently. It's still a little bit wet. That's why I have the t-shirt around my neck. So you know what, I'm gonna get this old dirty t-shirt. I'm gonna get the excess water out of this just a little, and you're gonna see what I do. I'm sorry if I'm not in frame. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist it up just a little bit just to get the excess, and I'm gonna hold there for 10 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze and get most of the excess water on it because I don't want my hair dripping. Oh, okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and start working on the bottom section. I have to burp. Excuse me. That's not ladylike, but I said excuse me, so. Ooh. Okay, we're going to clip this up. The first thing we are going to put in there, I'm not sure which one I want to put in first. The curl activator cream or the coconut curling cream. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to put on first. Because both of them have like a really, not thick, but like a really not thin consistency, like in the middle. Oh. Okay, I guess I'm going with the curl activator cream first. This is how much I'm taking. I'm not taking a lot. I'm just gonna see how my hair reacts to it first. Oh my gosh, it feels so short. It's okay. It's just hair. Hair grows back. I'm not worried about it, cause you know what? I'm still slaying. I'm still eating out here. You know what I mean? Okay, listen. My hair ate that up. Like, for real, for real. Ate it up. Okay. I mean, I can't really tell if it's doing anything yet. So, I'm just gonna put the excess on my edges. On my little baby edges. Okay, so after I took a little bit of that curl activator cream, ooh, child, these stray hairs be they don't be playing. Now I'm gonna take that coconut curl cream. Ooh, that is thick, hun. That is thick, with 3 C's, thick. So let me I really hate. Okay. Okay. Oh, let me see. I don't know if my curls look different or not. I can't really tell at the moment. As you can see, like, my hair is like, when you cut your hair like very bluntly, it gets very thick at where the cut ends. Maybe I need that thinned out a little bit. I don't know. But yeah. It's a very snowy day out today in the east. Okay, I'm putting the excess on my edges like I said. I look 12 without makeup. I look 12. It's whatever. Okay, so now that I'm done with this, let me just close that up. And the last thing that we're going to go in with is this Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. I don't know how much I'm going to use right. Oh, ooh, that's a weird consistency. Ooh, I took about like a dime size. So, oh, it doesn't seem like it's going to have like a crunchy hold. So, that's good, right? Because I don't like when my hair is crunchy. Like, that's nasty. Ah! Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Different. Ooh, that's different. Okay, so that's what my hair's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat all those things. Oh, look how short my little baby. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those same exact steps to the rest of my head, and then I'll come back for the last final step. Ooh, yeah. Still cute though. Ah! Okie dokie, I am back with the last step, and this is putting the oil in my hair. So how do you think it guys look? Like, how do you think it looks without the oil? I mean, this is kind of cut where it's like my hair is longer in the front and then a little shorter towards the back. So right now I'm just going to add the oil and just scrunch it up all together. And I'll show you that process real quick. Oh! This oil is very slippery. Oh my goodness. Okay. It smells delicious. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand up, put more oil into my hands, and scrunch it like this, just everywhere. I know this sometimes causes a little frizz, but I don't mind it because I don't want my hair to be stuck to my head. So yeah. Oh, the curls looking little cuties. And you can alternate sides if you want. Sorry, I just heard someone outside, so I had to look to go see. Oh, that looks so pretty. Last side, I'm just gonna scrunch the side. And yeah. Guys, I'm really like loving how healthy my hair looks. That's the only reason why I cut my hair, because I wanted it to look healthy. So yeah. And I'm going to discipline myself. I'm only allowed to straighten my hair twice a year, and I already straightened it once. So I only have one more time to straighten it. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I don't know, guys. I'm excited to see how this dries. I'm gonna stop touching it because I don't want to disturb anything. But yes, sorry, like oil just got like all over my shirt because I didn't think it was gonna be that slippery, but that oil is really slippery. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's close this thing up. You have come to the conclusion of the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like it. If you want to come back and see more of my face, more of me, more of what I have to offer, subscribe. I hope everyone has a blessed day today. And just stay tuned because, you know, I'm coming. Stay tuned because I'm on my way. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and all of that jazz. My social medias will be in the description box below. I will try to put links to all of everything of what I got in the girl, can I speak? I will try to put links of these products in the description box below. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.